Let's dive into essential maintenance tips. Welcome to our guide on keeping your Shark robot vacuum in top shape. Regular upkeep is key to your Shark's performance. Let's start with the brushes. First, regularly clean the side brush to avoid hair and debris buildup. It's simple and keeps your Shark running smoothly. You can also check the main brush roll to make sure that this brush is clean. You can also remove your end caps to check for additional hair and debris. Click them back in place and reattach them. Next, an easy yet crucial step, emptying the dustbin. After each use, empty the dustbin. A quick wipe can also help prevent any clogging issues. If you have the auto-empty dock, we recommend checking the dock after a few cleaning sessions to make sure this dustbin doesn't overfill. Now, let's focus on the filters. Clean the filters as recommended. Some are washable and need to be dried for 24 hours, while others need replacement over time. Sensors are the eyes of your Shark. Let's keep them clean. Gently wipe the sensors to keep your vacuum navigating smoothly in your house. 2 sensors are located near the front wheel and the other 2 beside the main wheels. For our robots equipped with LiDAR technology, regular maintenance is key. Use pressurized air or cotton swabs to clean the sensors, preventing errors and ensuring smooth operation. Moving on to the wheels. Remove any tangled hair or debris from the wheels to ensure they move freely. Charging contacts are crucial for power. Let's clean them. Regularly wipe the charging contacts with a dry cloth on both the robot and dock for a reliable charge. Lastly, a word on battery care. Proper charging and occasional use will keep your battery healthy. Store your vacuum in a cool, dry place if not in use regularly. There you have it, essential tips to maintain your Shark robot vacuum. Regular care means a longer life and better performance. Visit our support site for more tips and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more guides.